When Satyajit Ray's first film Pader Panchali entered its 66th year on 26th August of 2020, I want to say something about the movie, and at the same time I want to introduce a Telugu film director who had almost same qualities that Mr. Ray possessed, and the Bengali director's critical observation while watching a movie made by the South Indian director. It is the time of performing arts of Telugu speaking people such as Burrakatha and dramas have been losing their ground. During that period, I got an opportunity to watch Padir Panchali on a 14-inch black and white television on Doordarshan DD almost 30 years after the movie's theatrical release. Those days, DD used to show priceless retrospectives of Gurudutt, Ray, and Bimal Roy. The movies were telecasted at 9:30 p.m. after the news bulletin is over, and sometimes they may start at 10 p.m. Though I watched the Bengali movie with subtitles in English, I easily connected with the movie within few minutes after the beginning titles were rolled out. Here I have a reason to say I noticed a resemblance between my native village in Andhra Pradesh and Nishtindipur in the movie, with kacha roads piled with dust and cattle dung, and the kittens, child characters Durga and Apu. Pater Panchali is about childhood. That is also one of the reasons which made me to like the movie most. Now I am introducing you to a Telugu film director called Bapu. As creative persons, Satyajit Ray and Bapu have some similar qualities. Both have journalism background and were illustrators with pencil, brush, and with a perfect hold on the canvas where they used to create masterpieces. Especially, they both have one quality in common where it is a rare in most of the Indian film directors. They illustrate the storybook of their films on their own, where the characters were sketched with perfect expressions as part of scenes along with narration and dialogues. Satyajit Ray and Bapu met in New Delhi in the end of 70s during a special screening of Telugu mythological movie Sita Kalyanam, directed by Bapu. Later, Bapu shared his memorable moments with Satyajit Ray during the screening in an article that was published in a Telugu weekly. After watching Sita Kalyanam, Ray said that the carpet which Sita sat is of Arabic design. There were no crotons in those times. Bapu was surprised to Satyajit Ray's keen observation while watching the movie made in Telugu language. Bapu mentioned in that article that there were croton plants in a garden when Sita Devi singing a song in Sita Kalyanam movie. He found a serious film critic in world's renowned movie maker. Bapu also took a photograph with Satyajit Ray and captioned it, "The Long and Short of Indian Cinema." As Ray is a taller person and Bapu is in short when compared to the Oscar special awardee. That is the story of two classic directors.